Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading. Today I'm going to tell you how you are going to make $1 million or more in the markets. This pretty much is going to depend on the size of your capital, and therefore you can eventually make less. But the reason you are going to do it is because we are going to make it happen for you, regardless of whether you are going to decide to participate or not. Therefore, your decision here is just one. You are in or you are out. If you don't know who I am, you can search on the web. You can visit our website. You can study my public track record in the markets for the past 3 decades. Alex here with the Smile Director Club. So, if the question is what are we doing here, well, the answer is known by everyone in the service, no matter which service it is, because I address this matter. Even if they would pay me $5 million, I will not invest in this company because, my friends, the upside here is limited to a price that I'm not going to disclose. And therefore, this is all about the mid to long term and not what you are seeing here on IPO. Having said this, on the very first day, it was impossible, for example, to sell short the stock. We were not also going to buy the stock. So what we are going to do here, as you are aware, is to build a short position. And obviously, for us, as I repeated here thousands of times, the higher it goes, the better it is. Okay, it's simple. The higher it goes, if it goes to $20 or 21 or 23, the higher it goes, my friends, the better it is. So this is what you have to do: is to utilize the strength in his stock while it is there. Obviously, to you can follow up. To build a short position